Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn SQL for placements. Start by setting up a local database environment, perhaps using SQLite or PostgreSQL, to practice hands-on. Familiarize yourself with basic database architecture, including tables, rows, and columns. This foundational understanding will serve as your bedrock for more complex SQL operations. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to consistent practice. Next, dive into the core SQL commands that form the backbone of data interaction. Focus on mastering select statements, which are crucial for retrieving information. Practice inserting new records, updating existing ones, and deleting unnecessary data. Understanding how to group data with group by and apply aggregate functions like count and sum is also vital for analytical tasks. Once you are comfortable with the basics, advance to more complex topics like various join operations to combine data from multiple tables. Subqueries and common table expressions, or CTE, are essential for breaking down intricate problems into manageable parts. Aim to complete at least 20 challenging SQL problems weekly to solidify your understanding and problem-solving skills. Finally, prepare specifically for placement interviews by practicing common SQL questions, often involving complex joins and aggregations. Focus on optimizing your queries for efficiency and understanding execution plans. Review database design principles, including normalization up to the third normal form. Consistent practice on platforms like LeetCode will significantly boost your confidence and readiness for technical assessments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.